Officer, I'm not driving, I'm traveling. I'm back, and I'm back with the criminal complaint that I filed a couple, like 2, 3 months ago, around that time. Okay, and I'm charging certain public officials that work for the city of Glendale, as well as the city itself, for committing felonies and lesser violations. This is a verified joinder of parties to complaint under 18 U.S.C. number 4. So, you have a right to travel, at least it's my opinion. Nothing here is legal advice. If you do want legal advice, go get an attorney. Let's get to the point here, people. While engaged in public vehicular travel in Glendale, California, complainant was pulled over and arrested for failing to comply with California Motor Vehicle Code adopted by Glendale's municipal police. Despite full knowledge that complainant's activity or conduct is a common right in California, defendants to this joinder consciously chose to ignore the law and complainant's right to public vehicular travel and to rather impose requirements associated only with privileged conduct so as to falsely justify his arrest and confinement. Parties to be joined as similarly situated defendants to the original complaint filed blank are as follows. City of Glendale, Mr. Draymond, Randy G. Adams, Officers Jenna and Donnelly, and the John or Jane Doe Glendale Municipal Judge. Okay. With full knowledge that complainant was acting as a matter of right engaged in the conduct of public vehicular travel to which the Motor Vehicle Code or Privilege Code does not apply, these defendants and each of them has made collective and individual choices to violate the complainant as described in the original complaint. Complainant wants to see all of these defendants confined in federal prison for the acts complained of herein. There you go, guys. It's possible, and I did it. I think I'm the second person to do this in California. So